To run Meta ads campaigns, click on Meta campaign at the top. Click on switch to select your ad account. Then click on your own ad account. To connect an ad account, ensure you have a Facebook account. Ensure you have a Facebook page connected to that Facebook account. Ensure you also have a Meta ads account and it's funded. Also ensure that if you're running Instagram ads, ensure it's an Instagram business page and the Instagram business page is linked to your Facebook page. Click on connect ad account. You'll be taken to Facebook. Log in if you haven't logged in. Then click on continue. Ensure you always select opt in to all current and future pages. Opt into all current and future businesses. Opt into all current and future Instagram accounts. When you're done, save. You are then redirected to Ads by PostPaddy app. If your accounts don't appear, just swipe down. Select the ad account you want to use. Click on continue. Select the Facebook page you want to use. The Instagram page is selected automatically. Then put the ad purpose. Put the upcoming purpose. We want to sell birthday and wedding cakes. Select your ad goal. For me, I'll be going for brand awareness. Click on upload. You can use existing Facebook or Instagram posts. If a post has a yellow caution, this means that either you used an Instagram sound or it's a collaborative post and you cannot promote such posts. You can also upload pictures and videos from your gallery or files. Click on next. Select the locations you want to target. Select the genders you want to target and also the age range. Then select the channels which you want your ads to show on. Click on AI generate and you get audiences and ads copy for your ads. Your ad campaign is generated now. You can add a campaign name optionally. You can always increase your daily budget by clicking on the plus sign. You can select start date and the end date. For your audiences, there is already one audience selected for you, which in this case, birthday and anniversary celebrations and celebrations with no month. You can also add other target audiences. As you can see, we've added another target audience. You can add till you run out of audiences. When you're done, you can also review the ads that have been created and edit them one by one for each target audience. When you're done, you can publish the campaign or save as draft to publish it later. Thank you.